On behalf of Seng Khasi Kmie, I would like to express my sincere apologies on having to inform you all that the Shad Suk Mynsiem, that is the Thanksgiving dance of the Khasi people who profess the indigenous faith, scheduled to be held on the 10th, 11th and 12th April 2021, will have to be scaled down in order to abide by the guidelines prescribed by the government in view of the dreaded COVID-19 pandemic, which is a matter of serious concern. Therefore, only the participants with 2 escorts should reach the venue before 3 p.m. on the days of the dance in order to register and receive a token which is necessary for them to perform inside the dancing arena in batches and within the prescribed time limit, to be briefed by our officials on location. There shall be no invitees, and only those members of the Seng Khasi Kmie circles, units and indigenous faith organizations from the Khasi and Gentiles region, and all those connected with the Seng Khasi who have been issued with entry passes will be allowed to enter the venue on the aforesaid dates. Persons 65 years of age and above are advised to abstain from attending the function, and children below 10 years must be escorted by the parents or guardians. All attendees are required to wear face masks, use hand sanitizers, and maintain all necessary formalities with regards to the standard operating procedures listed by the government. In view of the circumstances and constraints as already stated, I appeal to all of you not to lose hope, even though we'll have to celebrate our Shad Suk Mynsiem this year in a very subdued manner. I convey my heartiest greetings to all the people of Khasi indigenous faith, and I wish that this unique religious festival of the adherent of Kanyam Khasi be celebrated with joy and gratitude, and that it will bring peace, harmony and good health to all. At this juncture, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Shad Suk Mynsiem 2021. Kublai, thank you, Jai Hind.